So this is our engineering project for Engineering 311. Kevin Darling and Stephanie Myers. What we're going to do is we're going to empty a vessel that's containing water. We've taken a 5-gallon bucket and we're just going to empty it because it's full of water. I took the dimensions for the height and for the diameter. And what we did is we cut a hole using a 5/8 inch hole saw out the bottom, and we're going to calculate how much time that it takes for this bucket to drain. So we went through the calculations and we're going to use it similar to example 5.4 from the book. So when we look at our dimensions, we've got the diameter of the bucket and the height of the bucket and also the exit diameter that we used for our 5/8 inch hole saw. We've able to plug the hole using a hole punch to make sure that none of the water comes out and that our information is as accurate as possible. So when we look at the mathematics here, we got the derivative of mass control volume equals sum of in minus out. Because nothing is entering, we're going to just look at what comes out. Whenever we go on to the calculations, we're going to see that H is going to vary, so we're going to have to throw that to the left side with the DH when we integrate. So if we continue on, we're going to see that if we integrate both sides of the equation, we're going to have T to equal approximately 88.7 seconds. Now, we have to take the absolute value of that because of the negative mass going out. So hopefully when we drain this, it's going to take approximately 1.5 minutes to 1 minute and 45 seconds. So what we're going to do is we're going to empty our vessel right now, and hopefully it'll take about 88 seconds. We got our timer going, so. Draining for about 30 seconds. Draining for about 1 minute now. Still got a little bit left. 70 seconds. 80 seconds. 88 seconds. And when it's done draining, we ended up draining for about 1 minute and 38 seconds. So we're off by a little bit. The reason why it could be off is due to friction of the water in the bucket or the 5/8 inch hole saw not being as big as we thought it was.